So here we have another logical reasoning question with the following argument. If an employee travels internationally, the employee files a travel report. Nora filed a travel report, therefore, Nora traveled internationally. And the question that follows is, the argument depends on which assumption? A, Nora prefers international travel to domestic travel. B, only employees who travel internationally file travel reports. C, Nora filed the report on time. And D, international travel reports require manager approval. So we can eliminate 3 of the 4 answer options, leaving us with the correct answer in the same manner. This includes A, C, and D. And that's because each of these answer options has an irrelevant assumption. So whether or not Nora prefers international travel to domestic travel is irrelevant to the argument. Likewise, whether or not Nora filed the report on time is also irrelevant to the argument. And similarly, whether or not international travel reports require manager approval is similarly irrelevant in the context of this question. Now, the opposite, B, only employees who travel internationally file travel reports. The argument does depend on this assumption, because if this assumption is not true, for example, if employees need to file a travel report when they travel domestically, then the fact that Nora filed a travel report does not mean necessarily that Nora traveled internationally. Maybe she traveled domestically. But if only employees who travel internationally file travel reports, then by Nora filing a travel report, it necessarily means that she traveled internationally. And therefore, our correct answer is B.